Hello, today we are going to see meine Freunde, meine Hobbys und meine Freunde. Meine Hobbys und meine Freunde. Hobbies is plural here, hobbies. And here, as though it is coming in plurals, we have to put the e ending is for the plural ending. And then meine Freunde is my friends. So here we are, lesen Sie und ergänzen Sie die Verben spielen, liest, reisen, singt. So all these are verbs. Spielen is to play and liest is to read. So spielen is to play here, and then we have liest. Liest is from the verb lesen. Lesen is conjugated to the third person. Third person it becomes liest here. Liest is to read. So third person, and then the meaning is to read. So lesen is to read. And then reisen is to travel. Reisen is to travel. Singt. Singt is also come in the third person. It is from the original verb is singen. The third person, it becomes the T ending is to sing. And then the fourth one is koche. The fifth one is koche. So it is from the verb kochen. The original verb is kochen, is to cook actually. So it is conjugated according to the ish form. Ish form e ending. Okay, right. So here it is one's personal blog here. So the person's name is Katja Petrov, and then 17 Monate und 1990 Berlin, Katja's photo album. So it is like Facebook. So Pinwand is to the photos and then information. The Pinwand is the blog she's writing, and then info and then photos. Yeah. So she is speaking about her the things. So the first image is saying with the utensils, with the empty utensils, and also in this. So it is in the sink. So she is saying ich koche gern. Ich koche gern. It is from the verb kochen. Kochen. So the ending is taken as e ending. So this is what we have to see. Pay our attention. So here it is, the kochen verb is conjugated to the ish in the present tenses with the e ending. Ich koche gern. I cook. Or I like to cook. I like to cook. Tom und ich. So here we have to consider Tom und ich becomes we. So we is nothing but in German we say it is wir. So the wir conjugation only we have to pick. So looking at the thing, Tom und ich gern Paris. So here is the monument of Paris is being showed here. So we have to pick a word which is related to which matches with this context is spielen or reisen, because this en is will match only to the plural form. So here we have the plural form Tom und ich. So we have to take the spielen, reisen, R-E-I-S-E-N, reisen. Reisen is to travel. So Tom und ich travel, gern Paris, wir lieben die Stadt. Wir lieben is to love. We love the city, die Stadt. Okay. And then here we could able to see there is only one person is standing. Betty und die Bücher. Bücher. So it is also plural. But here this C is taken, we have considered it as small c. So it is she only. She dash gern. She dash gern is she least. So as though I have said earlier that it is the third person. So least. So she least gern. She least gern. Least she reads. She likes to read. And then this hobby von Benner. So the hobby von Benner dash super. R. So and also according to the context of the image, we have to pick the verb singt. S-I-N-G-T. Singt. Singt super. And then the next one is Hannes mag es wunder Fußball. So with the football, so we can pick the verb the spielen. Spielen, so it is here. Spielen is to play. spielen, super. Yes. Okay, so here we have covered the fill in the blanks. So the masculine, so here they have given that article. The masculine is always der Fußball, neutrum is das Hobby, the feminine is die Stadt, and the plural is die. For every masculine, neutral or feminine, the plural remains the same as die. Okay. Lernen Sie Substantiv immer zusammen mit dem Artikel. Okay, lernen Sie Substantiv immer zusammen mit dem Artikel. So always learn the new nouns always with the article. Okay, ergänzen Sie die Endungen und ordnen Sie die Kommentare, then photo zoo. So we have to bring it to the I mean fill in the blanks, and then we have to arrange the things. Okay. Und ordnen Sie die Kommentare, then photo zoo. Okay. Anne Huber, lustig. Lustig is it's funny, or it's playful, or it is so anything which is related to the funny things. Singt. So here our subject is du, so we have to put the singst. Du auch so good. So do you sing very good? And then here our subject is ich, so we have to take the conjugation is ich reise im August nach Paris komme. And then here our subject is IHR. So as you look here also, the verb is ending in T. So it is the same we can apply for the common verb also. The spielen conjugation is also work out for the common as well. So we can put the kommt ihr auch. So are you both also coming, or IHR is you both or you all. So you both are coming, or you all are coming, like that. And then the spielen Sie. So we have to Betty Meyer only. So spielt sie Fußball oder tanzt sie. So it is it can't be it is not the they form here. So this form here. So we have to take this sie here. So spielt sie Fußball oder tanzen sie. Okay, so I think I'm sorry. Here it is one way. What I thought is here they have taken the CSIE, but here it is the Fußball oder tanzen, as though the E is coming here. So it is they are speaking about this C. Spielen Sie Fußball oder tanzen Sie is the answer. Yes. Spielen Sie Fußball oder tanzen Sie. Yes. And then Marcus, hello Katia, dash. So here is our subject is plural. So here also it is EN. So this C is they here. The meaning is they. So the they is this here. This they. So we have to take the ending is EN only. Okay. And then Marcus, hello Katia, kochen wir am Wochenende Spaghetti. And then Ben Miller, ich is the subject. So we have to bring the ich. Lese ein Buch von John Grisham mundu. So I read a book of John Grisham, and you, like that they are asking. So neue Fotos was meint year. So we have completed this. And machen Sie eine Kurzstatistik, welche Hobbys sind in Ihrem Kurs sehr beliebt, welche sind nicht beliebt. Okay, so what are all the activities for you is stays, as a hobby, and what is not as hobbies for you. So apart this from this spielen, liest, reisen, singt and kochen, so a person can say generally say that main hobbies sind lesen and then spielen Tennis and I can say kochen am Wochenende, and also ich liebe nicht reisen und charten. Ich liebe nicht. I don't love to. Ich liebe nicht reisen und charten. These are not my hobbies. So this is how we can say about introducing about oneself. Okay, and here is the thing, gehen wir ins Kino. Gehen wir ins Kino. So shall we go to the theater? This is movie theater. Shall we go to the movie? So Kino is a place here. So we can say it is a movie theater. Hören Sie und lesen Sie den Dialog. Wann gehen Katja und ihre Freundin Betty ins Kino? Gehen wir ins Kino? Ja, gern. Wann? Am Sāmstag. Nee, das geht leider nicht. Das geht leider nicht is unfortunately it don't work out for me. Am Mịttwoch, so the other person is asking, so what about on am Mịttwoch? So you have to look for the pronunciation as am here. Am is always we can put it in for the weekdays and weekends. So am Wochenende also we can say. So this is an important preposition am. Yeah, super. So the what is the day she wants to go is am Mịttwoch. So Mịttwoch she wants to go. So we can say Katja und ihre Freundin gehen ins Kino am Mịttwoch is the answer. So I'm just putting it under the Katja und ihre Freundin, it's enough, Freundin, gehen ins Kino am Mịttwoch. That's it. So we are moving on to the next one. Spielen Sie Dialog wie in Aufgabe 5. Gehen Sie durch den Kursraum und machen Sie für jeden Tag eine Verabredung mit einer anderen Person. Schreiben Sie Ihre Termin in den Kalender. So like the above, we have to play this. Ins theater, ins Schwịmmbad, ins restaurant, ins museum, ins café. So we have to look for the prepositions are ins. So ins is the preposition. We have to by heart this for theater, Schwịmmbad, restaurant, museum, café, and Fußballstadion. All are with the ins only. So we have to apply this when we are asking the question also. Gehen wir ins Restaurant? Ja, gern. And then we can say ja, gern. We can ask wann. Then the above dialogue is following here. So I'm suggesting a day like Sọnntag. So the other person might be saying nein, yes, nicht, geht. So this don't goes with me. Then I'm asking am Montag. So this person is saying yeah, super. So like that we have to follow for all this in theater in Schwịmmbad. So we have to pick like any of the day like Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Dọnnerstag, Freitag, Sạmstag. So the first has to be like saying one weekday, and then the other person might be negating with you, they are not interested because it is not possible for them, because they might be having college, or they might be having office, or they might be having an important work to attend on that day. So like that they will say in simple words, yes, geht, leider, nicht, or das geht nicht also they can say. And then in that case you are saying am Montag, you are offering another day, and so that might be working for them, so they are saying yeah, super. And then nein, so it is the ja, nein Frage. So if we are like putting the verb in the first position like gehen, like also we can say spielen wir Fußball. Spielen wir Fußball, and then we can say yes, essen wir ins Restaurant. So these are the question we can say it is a ja, nein Frage. So either we can say ja oder nein here. So this is a ja, nein Frage. Okay, and then here they have given the, so just like that we can able to say am Montag, we can say am Montag ich habe Büro, I have office, ich habe Büro, and then